Hello, this is Will Middleton from WPCourseGuide.com, and in today's video, I'm going to give you a basic rundown on the LifterLMS notification settings. So, to head to the notification settings, we'll go to the sidebar here. You can see LifterLMS. We'll go to Settings. Then from here, we'll head over to Notifications on the top. Now we can see all of these notifications we have available. And there's two options. You can see basic and email on some of them. So the basic notification is that badge that pops up in the corner. Whenever you enroll in a course, there's like this badge that pops up, and there's also one that can be when you complete a lesson or complete a section or a quiz, and you can see them all the way down here. And that's the thing that slides in the corner. And in order to edit those, we just click on basic. And now we can see the title and then what is in the badge itself, and we can modify this with these merge codes, and we can add our own content if we want as well. So that's how all the basic notifications work, and now I'll show you the email notifications. So if we have course complete, for example, is the first one, we just click email. Then here we can see exactly what is going on. So we can see the subject of the email, we can change this, we can see the heading, and then the congratulations, student name has completed the course title. And as you can see here, the subscribers, this goes out to the course author by default. We can uncheck this if we don't want anybody to get an email when a course is completed. And we can also add additional recipients. So this would be good if you had maybe for the, let's see here, for the course enrollment, or let's look at these. So you can see the purchase receipt. So for the purchase receipt email, maybe you want to send an email to your accountant, and that's where you would put their email in at the bottom as additional recipients. So that's an example where you'd want to use this additional recipients. And you can also see with different email notifications, there's different people you can send this to. And yeah, so that's the basics of the LifterLMS notification settings. We can also set up some engagement email stuff, but I'll go into that in another video. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you in the next one.